Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to deactivate or delete your Instagram account. For this, go to Instagram, then click on your profile icon. Next, go to menu. After that, go to account center. Now select personal details. From here, choose account ownership and control. Now select deactivation or deletion. Choose your Instagram account. Now select deactivate account if you want to deactivate, or if you want to delete, select delete account. Continue. Give your password and your account will be deactivated. So that's it guys. If this video help you, please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.